on the left hand side, you have a fraction, and on the right hand side, you have a number. So whatever you do to the left hand side, you do the same to the right hand side. The aim is to get x to be on its own. When x is on its own, you solve the equation. Since x is on the left, I want to take all the numbers to the right. So what you need to remember is, if it's plus, it crosses the equals to sign and becomes minus. If it's divide, it crosses the equals to sign and becomes times. Now on the left is divide by 5. So when you take it to that side, it becomes times 5. So what you would have is x plus 1 equals to 6 times 5. So that means you've taken the x, the 5 to the other side, because it was divided, it becomes times. If you write that down, please. So that gives us x plus 1 equals to 30. So you can write it as x plus 1 is equal to 30. 6 times 5 is 30. And now you can solve this straightforward easily, because you know how to solve x plus 1 equals to 30. You subtract 1 from both sides. So it's plus 1. If you take the plus 1 to that side, it becomes minus 1. That's another way to look at it. So x becomes equals to 30 minus 1. Because there was plus 1. So your answer now, x equals to 29. That's your answer. And once you got x equals to 29, you can check your work. As I said before, the way you check your work is to suck in the number and see if it's correct. So how do we check if our answer is correct? So you will take this 29 and you will float it and drop it in there. So it would be 29 add 1 divided by 5. Is that equals to 6? Let me put it in a way where you can see the two sides. So we have 29 add 1 divided by 5. Is that equals to 6?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct. Equals to 6. So that means it's correct. That's the process.